Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I absolutely love all of my kitchen gadgets because I'm always working in the kitchen. One thing that I do pretty much every day is use garlic. That's why I'm loving this garlic rocker. This is by Gourmet Easy. Now, if you normally do your garlic with a press, you're really going to be in love with how well that this presses your garlic and you get a lot more garlic out of it. This utensil is a really heavy-duty stainless steel garlic presser. Once you put your peeled garlic bulb onto your cutting board or hard surface, you're going to gently rock back and forth. And voila, you'll see the garlic come through. Now it includes a base. It's important to use this base as well because I really love that once I push the garlic press onto the base, I get even more garlic. And they even included a handy little scraper so that you can utilize every single piece that you need. The base, as well as the rocker and the utensil that come with it, are super easy to clean. You can not only do them by hand, but you can also just put them into the dishwasher, making cleaning up very, very easy. I love that I can get so much garlic out of this. When I use the press, I definitely notice a good amount of waste goes into the trash, but with this 3D rocker, I can see that I get a ton more, making cooking even more fun, and I know that I'm getting the most garlic that I can. You will be in love with this handy dandy, super awesome, really well made stainless steel rocker if you check it out. And that's my point of view.